On today's video, we are going to look at 10 3D prints that have a real world use, so practical 3D prints, listing from 1 to 10. I'm going to shoot all of this on my iPhone 16, including the audio, which is what you can hear right now. So let's jump in to number 1. So number 1 is a coffee coaster. Super straightforward to print, really easy to do. And you can come up with a multiple amount of different examples. Oh, and if you want to sign up to my community, you get this coaster completely free, or the STL file of this print. So number 1 is a coaster. And number 2 is 3D printed storage bag seal clips. So I don't know if that's the correct technical term for it, but these are like you can buy in the shops, completely 3D printable, and it locks up a bag and seals that bag. Number 3 is a carabiner. This one's made out of a bit of a different PLA, shiny, nice. Does actually move, a bit stiff. Number 3. Number 4, a funnel. Can be used for anything really, water, oil, whatever you want to funnel. That's number 4. Number 5, had to do it, had to include it, fidget toys. So you've got all sorts of different fidget toys that you can make. Keep kids happy for hours. And adults that act like kids. Number 5. Number 6, real world use. A box, keep soap in there, you can customize it. So this is one that I add on my Etsy store when you order one of my dragons. It's a box. Number 6. Number 7. What is it, I hear you ask? It's a scraper. So it's actually used for scraping prints off of a print bed. You could use it for pancakes. I don't know, other stuff. Number 7. Number 8. This is a good one. Flower pot. So this one I made out of a triple colour silk PLA. Keep all stuff in it. Plants. I actually keep some other stuff in it as well. Number 8. Number 9. Something I use every day. Phone holder or stand, found on Make a World. I think I said something different in the last couple of ones, but Make a World, it's really good. You get the screws, it's adjustable, you put your MagSafe charger in there, bang, it goes on, twist to the side, does all that stuff. It's really good. That's number 9. And then number 10. This one is another favourite of mine. It's a Stanley knife blade holder. So here's the guy that makes it. Congrats. Up, locks in. Number 10. So that's my 10 useful 3D prints for real world use. Nobody wants to sit and watch a 20-30 minute video, so this one's super quick. I will link all of the prints in the description below. It will include the links to Make a World 2. Go and check out my store if you haven't already. Again, the link is in my bio. As I said, guys, quick, super, easy to print objects that you can use every day. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.